So this video is about how you change the right hand holster to the left hand holster. First of all, you need to disassemble the holder. These two screws you untighten and then you get it off, and then it's looking like this. After that, you're gonna open up the two halves. So first of all, you're gonna open up this one. Just make sure you're gonna keep all the bolts together so you know which bolt needs to go where. Then you're gonna open up the holster. As you see, it's gonna widen here. And then you pull it open like this. You have two halves. Now comes the tricky part, because we first start with the right side part. You're gonna need to unscrew this one, but watch out because there's a little spring underneath the locking system. So you want to hold it together and then unscrew it. Untighten the screw. And then you lay it down like this, and you see already it wants to open up. So you're gonna open it up, keep it straight, get it straight up. Then you have this half and you have this. Watch out because underneath this one, you see it already, there's a little ball. The ball comes on top of this spring. That's to lock the locking mechanism. This is the older version. When you have the newer version, it's a plastic pin in it with a spring down, so the ball is not loose on it, it's in the spring. So we're going to lay this aside, and then we want to open up this part. That's easy because you have the four of them, and just push this out. Push it down like that, and there you have it. The holster comes with a new GugaRibas emblem, so you can use the old one or you can replace a new one. Okay, we'll lay this aside also. Now we have this part. First of all, we untighten this screw. Lay it here. This was for this one. And it's for this one. And now you're gonna loosen up this screw, and you see already it's coming out. So turn it around, and what you see is four head screws. I'm gonna untighten these. Trying not to put my hands in front of the camera, but my hands are a little bit bigger, so it's not always possible. And that's four. You keep it together so you can see which way you have to mount it. It's like this way. So this is the new, the other side. Take it off, lay it down, like this aside, and just get the screws back in. Just as easy as that. tighten it up. Make sure it's tight enough, but not too tight, because it's plastic. So that's one. This part you can put back together just the same way like you disassembled it. That way, tighten up the screw and put in these two. So now you have the right side for the left holster, for the right, excuse me, the left side for the left-handed holster. So this is the outside, and then you want to place the GugaRibas emblem back on it, just like this, or you replace it with a new one. So now it's ready. So you take the other side again, and then you want to replace the locking mechanism and the little ball. The ball you need to place on top of that spring. This part needs to go over there. You see it? That part only that way. And the little ball is gonna lock in these little holes. So again, spring. Hope you can see it. It's a little bit difficult. And then you hold it down and you replace this one. It's a little bit tricky, and sometimes you have to do it 2 times or even 3 times. But just make sure you're not damaging the spring. And again, with the newer ones, it's the plastic ball, so it's much more easy to do. So now it fits. Hold it together, check it, it works. Now again, you want to screw it back together. Excuse me. First the top one with the shorter one. And then you can assemble the 2 parts together again. First you want to wind this back in. And again, the adjustment of this, you don't have to change anything. The only thing you have to readjust, if you already adjusted it for your gun, is the wideness of the holster. So, and put it back together, click like this, put in these 2 screws, or bolts, whatever you want to name it. And then you have made it from a right side holster to a left side holster. As you can see, you need to replace this one as well, as you know. This one goes that way. So, this is a left side holster, a right side holster, right-handed. So the adjustment, the tightness for the draw is inside, and the locking mechanism is outside. This is the left side holster, and now you can see that the tightening system is on the outside, on the left side, and the locking mechanism is on the inside. Hope it helps. Take care, and if you need something, just ask me.